One day. Just one more day. It'll be over soon. Just smile and nod. Just like that. See? It'll be fine. Just keep smiling for one more day. Oh. Hi! I'm the maid of honour.
Thank you.
Fair. What did you say? Keep walking.
Oh my God, I feel horrendous.
Where on earth did you get takeaway from?
Delivery. Oh, no. No.
I haven't told Gemma about the job in New York yet, remember? Okay, today has to be all about her.
It's fine, don't worry. Oh, I think I'm still a bit drunk. And I need the morning after pill. It's up to you, New York.
I swear to God, if you get grease on that dress...
No, it's fine. You've got bigger problems to deal with anyway.
What do you mean? Why? Oh, it's not gonna happen. I'm doing it. Champagne for the bride? I can't do this!
Oh, come on, won't it? It's your wedding day.
No, not this! I mean this! This day! Wedding! Marriage! Oh, I can't! I'm on my period and everything hurts. My tits, my face.
Oh, God. Okay.
My legs.
Right.
Come on, let's get your dress on. Oh, God. I can't breathe. I'm actually suffocating.
Oh. Look, I reckon all the bloating will just go down. What with all the aisle walking and dancing and... Well, no, like, it's not bad. Just stay away from the champers if you like that.
I meant marriage. The idea of marriage is suffocating me. It's just so much commitment.
Well, yes. That's sort of the point.
Oh, he's just always there. Like, last night, the first night I've been away from him in a very long time.
Her hen do lasted a fortnight.
I really don't think I can do this.
Look, you can. Okay, I know it's scary and it's weird now, but this is the happy ever after you wanted.
And you look stunning.
Do I?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Right then. Shall we get some photos?
Yes.
Okay. Oh, you need to touch up this first. You know how shiny it gets? Come on, out of the way. Oh. Yes, me too. Enough.
Right. I'll go get your Auntie Anne then.
Those bridesmaids' dresses looked really nice on the magazine models. Well.
Mim, you haven't got a lighter, have you? Oh, I don't think you're actually allowed to, smoke. Life's a funny thing, innit? I remember you and Gemma. Little girls braiding each other's hair. You, try not to cry because Gemma had pulled a bit too hard. And now here we are. Well, I don't know what she'd do without you. Right. Come on then. Ah, the photographer. Thank fuck. There you are.
I think someone's been sick in there.
Okay. But it's fine. I've got Anne here, and Gemma's in there, ready in a dress and all. So.
Shit, she's already in the dress.
Yes. Why?
I'm supposed to be getting ready shots of her.
Okay. Well, can't you just get some of her, like, topping up a lipstick or something?
And that's not going to do. She's going to have to get out of the dress.
Pervert. Anne, can you just... Look, we only just got her in the bloody thing. Okay, she's good to go.
It's my BTEC portfolio. I'll fail otherwise.
Right. Good. Excellent.
Are you allowed to smoke in here?
Gemma?
Mim! Stop hassling me. I'm not ready yet. Fuck's sake, B!
Shit, I forgot the memory card.
No, wait, what? Oh, for fuck's sake.
You know, I reckon the day my husband died was the happiest day of my life. I mean, I loved him very much. Of course I did. But you want to know the first thing I did after he passed?
What?
I went outside and had a fag. Finally. The first fag I'd had in years. Guilt-free. No one watching me or judging me. I could do as I liked.
Right. Didn't your husband die of lung cancer?
Yeah. He did.
Right. But your marriage was a happy one though, wasn't it?
Yes, well, it was for him. He had a great time. Clean clothes, good meals, excellent sex. It was exhausting for me, though.
See, I've got this promotion. It's in New York.
Good for you.
Mim! So selfish, B. I can't believe you're doing this. Yes, hello, what?
The photographer would love to get some pictures of you getting into the dress, which means we need to get you out the dress.
But I've only just got in the bloody thing.
Yes, I know. Gemma, I thought this wedding was what you wanted.
I reckon I've had a dodgy pint, girl.
I don't care, B. I did, you know, but it's just he's...
What?
He's just so bloody nice.
Nice?
Yeah.
Babe, can you hold my hand?
Yeah.
Oh, God, no. Oh, it's just boring, isn't it? Like that's why I'm on my period today. It's a sign, you know, like an omen. The blood. Oh, it's going to kill me. This marriage is going to bore me to death.
Or it could symbolise, like, a new cycle. You know, like a new beginning.
No, Mim, it's painful and shit. Stop talking out your ass.
Gemma, you wanted him to propose.
Like, am I pregnant?
Oh, no, B.
Oh.
You know what? I've had enough. Honestly, he doesn't deserve someone who can't see. No, actually, who refuses to see that he is the best thing that's ever happened to her.
Oh, my God. You're in love with him.
What? Gemma, that's ridiculous.
Today is about me.
Yeah, we know.
Shut up, B.
What about Gemma?
Stop Trying to steal my life, Mim.
Steal your life?
Yeah.
I'm trying to get out of your life.
And where would you go?
Oh, New York?
I'm going to New York.
Da, na, 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 na.
Thanks, B.
I can't believe you're doing this to me. This is so typical of you. What?
I found the SD card.
Yes, Gemma. I'm doing this for me.
Where are you going?
Gem, can you wipe my hand?
No, I cannot.
Wipe my hand.
Come back, Mim. Oh, shut up, B.